Our family travels a lot. True story?
Yes.
That means we have to pack very carefully because we only like to bring carry-ons wherever we go, and that's where these great Arctica jackets come in. The Youth Featherlyte Packet Vest is $120. It comes in 5 colors: midnight, deep red, rose, silver, and gold. This trim jacket is a great layering piece and also packs up into a nice travel pillow. Great quality, loads of versatility, and tons of colors are the reasons we love these jackets. So let's check out some of the details. So first of all, on the youth jackets, it's got a 2-way zipper, it's got a great downfill, and some jazzy colors as well. So what do you think of the jacket, Kiara?
I think it's very nice. I think it's really cool that it folds into a pillow.
So often in our family, is this a true story that the adults will fly business class and the kids will fly economy?
Yes, it's a true story.
We like to give the kids something to aspire to. So this cool jacket will fold up into a little pillow for your travel needs. So either if you're flying or if you're on a long car ride, it's great to have. Now the women's jackets also fold up, and they come in both the jacket with the long sleeves and the vest. Some of the features I love on the jacket are that it's got these little wrist guards here, so if I am skiing or doing something in the snow, it'll protect my wrists. It's got some great zippered pockets, which yours does as well, so I can stash stuff in there. And it has got a nice trim fit, both of them. So if we layer them up with some waterproof shells underneath, really still gives you a lot of movement and you don't look like a Michelin man. So we are now going to turn these jackets into travel pillows. Commence Operation Packet. So first you're gonna unzip, and you see this big pocket here. Did you get yours unzipped? There you go. Okay, then you're gonna turn that inside. Ooh, you're already started. Okay, no need to wait for your mom. And just start stuffing. Ta-da! Then we have our travel pillows. So for air, car, train, we're ready to go and take our naps. These jackets are lightweight, really packable, and super versatile. Definitely Momtrends approved.